Whenever someone asks me, what is the one thing that you missed the most when you're trying to become a full time trader? And the one answer I give them is a good mentor. Now, it's not like I did not come across people who helped me along my journey. There were many and they helped me a lot and they guided me in the correct direction. But what I would have preferred is a person who is just like me, who has the same aspirations, who has the same mental and analytical bent, and who went through all the troubles, learned how you can trade full time, how you can trade correctly, and made it as a trader. If I could learn from such a trader, it would have been really, really great. Now, over the last 6 to 8 years, what I have been doing is sharing my learnings with anyone who's interested in becoming a consistently profitable trader. Now, I believe a good mentor can accelerate your progress as a trader. It will save you on a lot of frustrations, losses, energy, and most importantly, time. It will save so much of your time reinventing the wheel, which is not at all necessary. Now, if you want to learn why exactly a mentor is necessary for your trading to improve, for you to become a consistently profitable trader, then watch this video till the end. And also give this video a thumbs up, the algorithm likes it. Let's say you are at point A and you want to go to point B. So I'm trying to explain what is the importance of a mentor. Like you already have shown interest to learn from me. Okay. Both in terms of time and commitment and also money. The benefit of a mentor. All right. So let's say you're traveling from city A to city B, and you must have felt it. Like everyone who goes through this experience feels it. So when you travel from A to B for the first time, you take certain amount of time to reach. When you're coming back, not only does it take you less time, barring traffic and all, but it also is a much simpler a drive. When you're going to an unknown place, it makes you think more. So it is a little difficult. It takes more energy going to that place than when you are uh, coming back. Okay, this is my experience. Whenever I have driven, I have felt this. So the benefit of a mentor is a mentor has gone from this A to B and all the intermediate stages, and maybe he is at D or maybe F or whatever, right? So he has already traveled all this, and you are somewhere here. You are finding it difficult, right? And a mentor is here. Now, when I say anything to you, I put myself, I remember when I was here, what I was thinking, what I was doing, what was incorrect, what was correct, what I could have done differently to reach where I am quickly. That is the benefit. Someone who has already traveled the path, if he can look back and tell you, okay, no, please don't do this, do this, this is going to help you. Why? Because he has gone through all these stages of development, struggle, frustrations, and now he has the answer. The problem with the learner is that he has only this much understanding. Whereas someone who has already traveled, he has much more understanding than him. So what happens, a mentee usually will try to understand what the mentor is saying with very limited understanding. Okay. He does not know many things. He has not had experience. It's all right? If you are in the first year of any course, you cannot expect to understand everything that is being taught in the fourth year. Or let's say this is about engineering. So someone who has had 25 years of work experience, well, you cannot reach this person's level when you're in the first year. Trading is similar. So if I am trading for more than 2 decades and I have done all this circus, now I know that no, if you're doing this, you're going to fall. If you do this, you're going to be safe. You haven't gone through the experience. So many a times what happens is you are not able to see the benefit, the reason, the logic behind certain things because you don't have the requisite experience of understanding those things. So that is why a good mentor is very essential. And equally important is not to follow a bad mentor, because bad mentor will try to exploit his unique position. He will use this to exploit all his people. He will either give them false confidence, he will either uh, keep them confused so that he can make more money out of them, or he can keep them as followers as long as possible. Whereas my logic is to give you a process which, if you follow, it is going to be, it's not going to be painless. It will be much less painful when you travel from this point and to come where I am, or maybe even surpass me. I would be the happiest person. But if you follow the process I have given you, this whole journey will become much easier, much less mistakes, much less pain, frustrations. But you have to trust me, because I have gone through that. You may not have the amount of experience that is required. My suggestion is for you to follow this process that I have shared with you as long as possible, as thoroughly as possible, with as much commitment you can give as possible, so that this becomes an enjoyable journey for you. But trust me, like if you stay the path, you are definitely going to become a profitable trader. There is absolutely no doubt in my mind. Right. And the way you guys are committing to it and the way you are putting in the efforts, obviously it's going to happen. There is no doubt in my mind that, like, no doubt at all. So don't worry about it ever. You are going to make it. You are going to do very good. Just that you have to trust the process and keep the commitment till it becomes easy. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate it. Now, if you like the content that I have shared so far, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get updated about future videos I'm going to share on this channel. Also, if you like the content I'm sharing in these videos, then I am sharing a ton more in my free complete trading framework newsletter. The link is in the description. Please do sign up for the newsletter. It's completely free. I don't sell you anything. It's just pure knowledge bombs dropping on you every week. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.